Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make broth for dogs full guide. Start by choosing bones, lean meat, and dog-safe vegetables, then simmer gently to extract nutrients. Use cold water, skim foam, and maintain a low simmer to preserve flavor and vitamins. Cool the broth, separate fat, and store in the refrigerator or freezer in portions for easy serving and safe reheating for your dog. Start with quality bones and simple vegetables, and never add salt or toxic seasonings to dog broth. Roast bones optionally for deeper flavor, then transfer to a pot and cover with cold water by several inches. Simmer on low for 4 to 24 hours depending on bone type, skimming foam occasionally for clarity. Cool fully, strain solids, and separate fat to reduce calories and make the broth gentler on sensitive stomachs. Thanks for sticking with me. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more pet-friendly recipes. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, which keeps floors tidy from soup drips and kibble crumbs while you prep. It's a handy kitchen ally, and I love the convenience. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Simmer times change with bone types. Chicken needs less time, while beef yields more gelatin when cooked longer. Use a gentle simmer, not a hard boil, to keep the broth clear and preserve nutrients. After cooking, strain carefully, cool quickly, and remove fat for a lighter broth. Store in the refrigerator for several days or freeze in portion-sized containers so you can thaw as needed for meals, toppers, or hydration boosts for your dog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.